We are excited to present the Three Rivers 230 kilovolt power line project. This project will provide the necessary power for a new data center in Goodyear, Arizona, and support the overall growth in the West Valley. The project involves building two separate power lines from an existing transmission line located along the Agua Fria River to the new Three Rivers substation. As we identify new routes for these lines, we take into account future energy needs while balancing cost and impacts. The Three Rivers substation will be located on approximately 20 acres within the customer property, with a block wall approximately 10 to 12 feet high. The power line will be built with steel pole structures ranging in height from 115 feet to 195 feet, depending on terrain and existing infrastructure that would need to be crossed. There are two main factors to consider in order to identify proper locations for our power line routes. First, what is the best way to minimize impacts to sensitive areas? And second, how can we maximize the use of routing opportunities? In the process to determine these answers, we've hired an outside consultant to conduct environmental studies, assist with the community outreach, and help us collaborate with local agencies and jurisdictions. The information we learn will help us identify alternative route alignments that make sense and eventually lead us to select the proper routes for these power lines. These lines will require easements and permits and will utilize road rights-of-way where possible. The two new power lines will need to connect the existing transmission line located along the Agua Fria River to the Three Rivers substation approximately 3 to 4 miles to the west. Several studies and the public outreach already conducted have led to identifying 7 route alternatives located largely between Van Buren Road and McDowell Road and between the Agua Fria River and Estrella Parkway. Public outreach and communication is a priority at APS, and we strive to do all we can to explain the details of the project and gather your feedback. Information gained by meeting with various stakeholders, including representatives from cities, county, state, federal, and local residents and property owners, all help determine viable routes. We continue to ask for your involvement by attending our project open houses, visiting our project webpage, and most importantly, providing comments either on our webpage, by mail, email, or by phone. This project will need to be presented before the Arizona Power Plant and Transmission Line Siting Committee at a public hearing, expected in late 2020, and would ultimately need to obtain a certificate of environmental compatibility from the Arizona Corporation Commission prior to any construction. At APS, our vision is to create a sustainable energy future for Arizona, and our mission is to safely and efficiently deliver reliable energy to meet the changing needs of our customers. We want to thank you for your participation in this important public process.